Hello, I'm a DevOps engineer at Acquia and I work remotely. I'm responsible for automating, deploying management infrastructure and ensuring system reliability and scalability. My day typically begins with checking in Slack in detail. I look various channels to stay update on the team discussion, project update and any urgent alerts. I also engage in real-time communication with my teams, responding to the queries and collaborating ongoing tasks also. After Slack, I move to check my email. I carefully review my inbox to identify important messages, updates, and requests from the different teams and stakeholders. I prioritize urgent email that require immediate action such as production issue, deployment approvals, or escalation updates. Next, I check our Kanban board where all our tasks and critical tickets are tracked. I go through the assigned tickets to understand their requirements, priority, and the current status also. I identify tasks that needs immediate attention such as production issues, sprint critical works, and dependencies for the blocker for the other teams. I also update the status of my ongoing tasks to reflect the current process and add comments on the notes. Throughout the day, I also decide time to training and learning. This include participating in internal training, knowledge sharing session, attending the scheduled training programs and completing the assigned trainings models. I spend time exploring new tools, technologies and platforms that are relevant to my role such as cloud services, automation tools and monitoring solutions. Finally, I focus on server patching, which is a key task in our current sprint and track through a dedicated sprint task. As part of this activity, I first connect to server using SSH to check the current operating system and package various versions on each server. I then compare this version with the latest release and security patches available for the official Ubuntu website. Based on this comparison, I determine whether the server requires patching or if it is already compiled with the recommended version. If patching is required, I plan the update carefully to minimize risk and downtime, apply the necessary security system patches, and also monitor the server during and after the process. I also verify system health, various availability and performance to ensure overall stability. Once the patching is complete, I update the sprint task with the details of the changes and perform any observation. Also, I ensure proper documentation and visibility for the team.